Hi, this is the second episode of the Devlog series where I'm building a goal setting app. In the first Devlog series, I talked about idea behind working on this project and what are the things that I'm going to build in this startup. And let's work on the startup. This is the second episode. So where I talk about the new feature that I'm going to implement in the new video. The problem with goal setting app that I see is, so when you try a goal setting app, that's a new shiny thing, right? So you try it for a couple of days, and you are tired of creating tasks and goals and setting off everything as a requirement. Like it becomes too much to even get started into working on your goal. So what I'm trying to build in this app is, for example, I am a lazy person. I tried many to-do app, but I never stay consistent because I don't like making tasks that specifically tailored my goals. So what I'm going to build in this app is, first, in this devlog episode 2, I'm going to build a feature that will make you consistent while achieving your goal. So I talk about the problem. People are inconsistent while creating a specific goal or the tasks for their goal. But in my app, what can I do, or what I'm trying to implement here in this video is, I'll this is the interface, right? So what a user will do is prompt what are they trying to do. So their goal, specifically their requirement, and AI, maybe a chat GPT or anything. But in this video, I'm going to implement Deepseek open model. So I'll use Deepseek to fetch this uh, this prompt. So this is the prompt, right? So I'll put it into LLM. That is, for now, it's a Deepseek LLM. So this would be the user prompt. The user will prompt what they are trying to achieve through my app. For now, in this video, I'm going to build it using a Deepseek, and this will generate a structured data. So for example, this will generate a response that can be a JSON response, or I will convert it into a JSON response, and that will include the tags tailored for the goal, to-dos for the tags. Once you have generated the response, I'll let the user to edit that response according to their requirement, and it will generate goal template in the app. That's what I'm going to build in this video. So I'll be using Deepseek open model, and this will convert this prompt into a JSON response. I'll let the user edit the response and tailor their goal as their requirement and get started into the app directly without having to specify their goal and then to-dos and what they are going to do. Now let's move into the building process of this app. Let's get started. So first I will look into a Deepseek. I'm just gonna use the smaller version because my PC, I don't think it will handle the bigger version. Let's try this one. Finally, the Olama has been installed. Let's try it. I am trying. It's not that bad. So these are some of the outputs that the AI will give, and I need to fine tune those into my requirement. These are some of the routine that the AI has given me. Let's see if it matches my requirement or not. Let's see. So if you're a team member, so there are some daily routine. This has given me a daily routine in workout, cardio, and then on a search would be very on the phone. There is aside from that. Hello everyone, this is the second part of the video. So where I will be building this part. Yesterday I completed these two parts and I got busy and I could not do that yesterday. So I'm building this today. So where I will build using Deepseek's open model will generate a JSON, and that is used for my goal generation. That's it. So I'm going to build these two parts. Let's build it. So I need to run Olama. Is it? Yeah, there is already running. So topper check if it is running or not. So let's see if it is running still or not. So yes, I think it's running. Yesterday I just tested the API and I tried testing it out, and I just created a simple node app. And in this I just tried adding, like for example, let's circle here and we have in this, and let's try to run it. Let's hope it will give JSON response for this. If it does not, then we have to change something else. Give me some tasks. So here from now to break down, understand basic concept, and this has a task in it. So I asked the AI generated JSON. Let's see how this works. It is taking so long to generate that. I need to take use another API. Let's see. Finally, it has given me a right answer. So this is the part where the AI is thinking, and this is the JSON response that I got. The like basic tasks created to the calculator, but this is the description. This is the tools. Great. So now, so I just pasted. What it did is it extracted the part of the response, like from the regex, matches the regex, and then it will just give the output as JSON match, and the JSON match is converted to JSON by parsing it, and it just displays the tags. That's what it did. Let's try it. I'll just put this out. Let's just generate a front end while the Olama is working on. So I think it has completed the tasks, and this is what I want, and it has pretty much given me exactly what I wanted. So once this is ready, so I need a front end for this. Let's just create a front end using V0.dev. So I just prompted the V0.dev to generate me the front end for this app, and let's see what it will do. So V0.dev uses Next.js to generate this type of project, and I think it's using actions. That means next 15, I think. So that's what we want. I just need server actions. This server actions which will generate me the tasks, and I just want to display that in the pages. I need task. So something wrong happened, so I just put some prompt to correct that. So what I needed an input field where a user will write the goal and the AI will generate the tasks. and the task will be shown in that same page. And in the next page, or the task detail page, the to-dos will be shown. So I wanted that, but the AI gave me the page where user will add their goal query, and then in the next page it will show the tasks. That's not what I wanted, so I just asked for it to manage that. And let's see the code. It's not showing because it is missing some API tokens, that ChatGPT OpenAI token. So I think this will work. Let's just see it. So I think this would work, right? This will install all the dependency that it require. I think it will do that. So goal, I just cloned it from V0 and I made some changes to the app. So Vercel was using Kiwi for storing the data, and Kiwi is just a Redis client that Vercel provides, but I do not want to use that. So what I did is change some code and use local storage to store the goal and tasks. And this is, then I made some changes in gender tasks, and it was using OpenAI model and was asking for API key. So I just changed that to what it was working before. Just change that to this and Deepseek. Once the finalization is done, this is the final output of the app. This is just a prototype, and I'll be implementing this feature in my startup, and that will make revenue. So let's test it out. So this is a tax management app. So a user puts their goal swimming. So this will generate some tax.
2,000 years later.
After so much waiting, after Deepseek trying to compute everything, it will generate me a task. So these are a few tasks that the Deepseek AI generated. So to learn swimming, prepare for swimming lesson, and for swimming lessons, you have to purchase appropriate swimming gears. These are some to-dos that the AI has given, and this is some other to-dos. So basically I'll be implementing this in the startup Revamp goal, because we know people are lazy, and while trying this to-do or goal setting app, the one thing people hate is setting things up and setting all the goals and to-dos as their need is very tedious, and people don't want to set it up. So that's why I have created a AI, so that people will come up with their goals and it will generate you the tasks and to-dos. So this is a prototype that I will be implementing in the startup in the next Devlog, and I was just trying how it will work. And I'm trying to make the cost as effective as possible, so I'll be implementing this using AI, which is free, that is available. So Deepseek is free and is pretty cheap, and I'll be implementing this feature in Revamp goal, and I'll be cutting the cost as much as possible. I don't want any costing while development, so I'll be using local DeepSeeks. And while using the local DeepSeek AI, it is not performing well in my computer, so I think I'll need to pay some amount of money for the development for OpenAI or DeepSeek. So let's see what I will do in the next video, and thank you for sticking around, and hope to see you in the next video, and